Hello everyone, welcome to Vibseducorner. Today's video is all about CVC words worksheets. So first worksheet is circle the rhyming words. So in this worksheet, they need to read the word first and then they have to find the correct rhyming word. So cat, bib, bet, jug, net. So they will circle the correct word. So the second worksheet is read each word and match with picture. So they will read the word and then they will match it with correct picture. For example, here is sun. So they need to see the picture of sun and match. So the third worksheet is all about read, search and write. First they will read the words, then they will search the words. At last they will write the words under the correct picture.